Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Iqbal Widiantomo. I'm from English class B. In this super unity, I would like to present about health dangers of vapes. First, I will explain what is vapes, types of vapes, and the last, dangers of vapes for health. What is vaping? Other name for vaping products include electronic or e-cigarettes, vapes, vape pen, mod, or e-hookah. Most vaping products contain nicotine and some contain THC, the psychoactive ingredient found in cannabis. Vaping products are available in many different forms. Some are designed to look like cigarettes. Some are the size of a USB or pen, and others are much larger and may be modifiable. Most e-cigarettes contain nicotine, and many also contain a wide range of flavorings. Most vaping devices consist of a battery, mouthpiece, heating element, and chamber, a tank of reservoir to contain a liquid solution. Vaping products produce an aerosol by heating and a liquid that usually contains flavoring, nicotine, and chemicals such as vegetable glycerin and propylene glycol. As stated by Health Canada, these chemicals are considered safe for use in products such as cosmetics and sweeteners. However, the long-term safety of inhaling the substance in vaping product is unknown and continues to be assessed. The aerosol is inhaled by user through a mouthpiece and is then absorbed into the bloodstream. Types of vapes. For vapors, of course, they already know they are not the types of vapes. It turns out that they are not only one. Although there are several types, the dangers of e-cigarettes for health are still the same. Pen type vape. It looks like a pen and is the smallest vape compared to other types of vape. The way it works is the same, namely by heating the vape liquid so that it can produce steam. Portable type vapes. The opposite of the pen type, the portable type of vape has a larger size. This type of vape has a heating element and battery component. Desktop type vape. For this type of vape, the shape is bigger than other types of vape. It can even be carried anywhere. Desktop vape can certainly produce maximum heat, sharper taste, and more steam than other types of vape. Dangers of vapes for health. Cause the risk of heart disease. The first dangers of e-cigarettes for health is that they can pose a risk for heart disease. The reason is provided you know that e-cigarettes also contain tobacco, although not as much as tobacco cigarettes. In addition, nicotine can also cause disturbance in the arteries in the body. Well, this condition greatly affects the work of the heart organ, so it can increase the risk of heart disease, increase the risk of lung disease. Apart from the heart, the lungs are also a very risk of damage. The reason is how to use vape that is most like ordinary cigarettes can directly affect the health of the lungs. Some of the risks of lung disease include bronchiolitis, obliterans or popcorn lungs, polypoid pneumonia. Trigger the growth of cancer cell. Do you already know if a cigarette contains liquid nicotine? Along with solvents such as propylene glycol, glycerin, and glycol ether? This is where the dangers of a cigarette for health occurs. Because if the substance is heated, it will produce a substance called nitroamine. As for this substance, which can trigger the growth of cancer cells, can lower body immunity. The danger of e-cigarettes for health, which in turn can reduce the body's immunity. The danger of e-cigarettes for health, which in turn can reduce the body immunity. This is because active smokers, both vapers or tobacco smokers, will both show signs of reduced activity of 5-9-fold gains, which are known to support immunity and fight infection, can cause explosion. This furthermore can also be called a vape hazard to health because this cigarette can have the risk of causing an explosion. This is because vape power is generated from a lithium-ion battery. Meanwhile, if the battery overheat, it can cause a dangerous explosion, even killing, and danger fatal health. Both active and passive smoker, the dangers of a cigarette for health can also occur to the fetus in the womb. The reason is the content of nicotine and other harmful substances can interfere with fetal development. So, for those of you who are pregnant, avoid using vape or being close to people who are smoking vapes. Now, after you know the dangers of e-cigarettes or vape for health, it's good to reduce their use from now on, even if you can stop completely, because various diseases will be around you. Finally, I would like to thank you all for taking time to listen to my presentation. I hope this presentation have given us new insight on the dangers of vaping to health. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.